Natt here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Today's a quick video. I just wanted to get on here and talk about something that I was so lucky to be a part of. I have been blessed to be the lead content creator for a Black-owned beauty subscription box called Stacia Noir. And today I received my first subscription box. I received their 2021 spring box, and I just wanted to do a little unboxing together, you know? So if you want to see me unbox this beauty box and get into my first one as the lead content creator, a little bit of pressure, then just scroll down, hit the subscribe button, join the Natt gang, and let's get into this video. So here's our first Noir box. It's so exciting. It says all things black and beautiful on the front, and you can find us at stacianoir.ca and at stacianoir.ig. So it has been really cool to be a part of the process with our CEO Zaria. Honestly, it's been like incredible to see this from start to finish, see like drafts of the box. Like, it's just been crazy. So super excited to open the box and get into it. So this is what your spring Noir box will look like on the inside. My hair's stuck. You get a cute little thank you card with all our information and a little, you know, thank you note. And then let's get into these products. Cute, eh? Packaging, so cute. So the first brand I'm gonna get into is Common Love. They have really natural skincare. So in the spring Noir box, there is some African black soap from Common Love. So I believe it helps to even your skin tone and just like really improve the quality of your skin. So I will be using it on my body, not my face, just because I know it's not compatible. My face skin is really sensitive. So I will be definitely getting into this in the shower. They also have whipped cocoa butter and raw shea butter. So I wanna actually open. Oh, the whipped cocoa butter smells almost like peanut butter. Oh, this is sensual. Like, I feel like I shouldn't have even touched that. It's so nice. I'm gonna put this all over my body. Body, yada, yada, yada. Oh, that sample can't be cleared. This cocoa butter like melts right into your skin. Wow. Honestly, it smells like peanut butter. Oh, because cocoa's chocolate, dummy. It smells like chocolate, like raw cocoa. I was like, is it a seed or is it a nut? But no, it's just cocoa. Oh, that smells good. Yeah, that feels good. That's going on all my knees and my ashy ankles to help me get ready for Hot Girl Summer 2.0, because the last one was taken away from us. So I'm gonna get into that tonight. Like when I take my shower, this is gonna probably be my favorite part of my self-care routine. Like I said, they also have the raw shea butter. So I'm not a huge fan of shea butter, but my boyfriend is, so he's gonna eat this up. Yeah, it still feels incredible. Like, this is the stuff that you really need to be putting in your skin. You know what I like about this is I like that they're in jars because it's really easy to access. I always hate when people put shea butter in some crazy containers and it's like, why am I using it like this? But this being in the jar, one, it's a really good size, so I can take this with me and not feeling like, oh my gosh, I'm traveling with this whole tub of shea butter. And two, it's just like easy access. I'm not going far. I'm not having a hard time opening it. And the fact that it is in a jar means it's gonna be sealed properly. So love that. The next brand we have in here is Unforgivingly Pure. We actually were able to we have their hand sanitizers as well as their foot and body scrubs. So I use this hand sanitizer during the week. Like, I'm working from home, but sometimes I just am like in here and I'm like, oh, let's just try stuff. So this is one of the things that I was like, I can try before the video. It's a really good consistency. This scent is Vanilla Mint Martini. Personally, I don't love the scent right away, but this ages beautifully. In the beginning, I'm like, oh my gosh, it's so much mint. But if you put it on and just like let it air dry, like I just do this. And one, I've just kind of like showered myself in this beautiful like waft of vanilla mint. And then my hands smell like the perfect balance of vanilla mint for the next couple hours. Like, it's not overpowering once it's on your hands and it's dried in the air. So if you're nervous about the fact that this is vanilla mint, I get it. I get that initial like whoosh of mint, but I love mint, I love vanilla. So once it dries down, like I was like, oh, this is perfect. They nailed that. And I love that it has a cute little keychain because you can really just put it on your keychain, your car keys, and in a panini. Girl, that's what we need. This is their foot and body scrub with sea kelp, pink Himalayan salt, and premium African black soap. I love scrubs, so I'm really excited to get into this. It has a seal on it. Let me take that off. This is what the scrub looks like. I just took off the seal, which is crazy. Like, I love when I can see like real texture in things. Like, I know I'm not just getting like crap. That's my problem with using scrubs from like the drugstore. It's like, it's just all this like chemically refined crap. This, I'm so excited to use. And I love scrubs, like love scrubs. Like love scrubs. I exfoliate my body at least once a week, just for no reason. Like it's not like even like I shaved or anything. I'm just like, So I'm really excited to get into this in the shower, and it smells so good. I don't know what that is, but you know what this reminds me of? The spa. Has anyone been? Oh no one's been to the spa lately. But do you like if you've been to the spa in your lifetime? That's what this smells like. Like a relaxing day. If you're in Ottawa, Quebec area, at Nordique. Like that's exactly what it's giving. Like it's giving me relaxation, so I can't wait to get into that. Oh my goodness. What else we got? What else we got in here? We have Natt Beauty's Sugar Coated Whipped Lip Scrub, and it looks like this. Another seal, which I love. Love things that are packaged nice and safely. This is the texture of the lip scrub. Let's see, y'all. And it smells like cotton candy. I like it. It's a nice refined lip sugar scrub. I kind of hate when they're a little bit too chunky because I'm scared to put them on my lips, but this looks good. Feels good, smells good. So I'm gonna get into this on Self-Care Sunday too. We have a bath bomb from the Luxe Beautypolitan. This is Rose and Red Apple. I have tried their lavender one. I have not tried this one. I'm excited to try this one. I wanna smell it, so I'm gonna open it. So this is what the bath bomb looks like. I love all this like floral shit. Like I just like seeing like flowers in my bathtub. That's gonna be exciting to me. And there's instructions on how to use it. It's giving off a very soft, rosy scent. Like it's not strong and overpowering at all. And I love that for natural products because it shouldn't be. Like it shouldn't be heavy on the perfumes, you know what I mean? Lastly, we have 3 fragrances from Bailey Fragrance. We have their testers in here. They look like this. You get to see what the perfume is made of, as well as the notes in the perfume. So it gives you an idea of what you're gonna smell like before just slapping it on your skin and committing to it. The 3 scents that we have in the Spring Noir box are Discover, Create, and Soar. I think Soar is my favorite, or is it Discover? I think it's Discover that I like the best. Hold on, let me smell it. Yeah, definitely Discover. Discover is giving ultimate spring scent. Soar. Soar is extremely clean and springy, like extremely, it's so good. And Create, honestly, my least favorite, but some people might love it. Like perfume is definitely subjective, so just because I don't like it that much doesn't mean you're not gonna like it. But I think it's the sense of chocolate that I don't like love. It's just a little too rich for me, but it still smells good. Like it doesn't smell bad, it's just not something that I would particularly wear. But those are the scents, and honestly, this is pretty great. Like I heard about a little subscription box, I'm thinking, okay, our competitors are like Ipsy and things like that. What are the girls doing that we're not? And I really feel like you get a good feel for these Black-owned products. You get kind of like a vibe in a box. Like this all screams self-care for spring, and especially because we're still in a panini, I'm with it. Like I love the fact that all of the products are just about me feeling good and smelling better. Like, hello. That is it for our Spring Noir box. If you want to purchase the box, I'll leave a link down below, and I highly recommend you get in on it before the Summer Noir box sells out. Just saying, you're getting full-size products and you're getting to try a bunch of products for the low cost of, I think it's 75 bucks. I think that's it. But it's a low cost either way. And that's it for our Spring Noir box. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. If you did like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below with any questions, comments, or concerns about anything I did today. And as always, subscribe to me. You pay my bills, right? Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.